Welcome to our video on governance versus management. In this video, we'll explore distinction between these two crucial aspects of organizational leadership. Let's dive in. First, let's discuss governance. Governance is like guiding compass of an organization. It's a process and a structure that defines how organization should operate and achieve its goal. Governance focuses on what and why of an organization's action, roles and responsibilities. In governance, the emphasis is on defining the roles and the responsibilities at highest level of leadership. This includes board of directors or governing bodies. Strategic decisions. Governance set strategic directions of the organization. It answers questions like what are long-term goals and how do we achieve our mission. Accountability. Accountability is a significant aspect of governance. It ensures that the leadership is responsible for their decisions and actions. Compliance ethics. Governance oversees compliance with laws, regulations, and ethical standards. It ensures that organization operates with integrity. Management. Now let's turn our attention to management. Management is like the engine that drives the organization forward. It concerns with the word how to execute the plan, and strategies defined by governance. Day-to-day operations. Management is responsible for day-to-day operations of the organization. This includes tasks like resource allocation, scheduling, and problem solving. Implementing strategy. Managers take the strategic goals set by governance and break them down into actionable steps. They decide how do we achieve these goals on daily basis. Team leadership. Manager lead teams and individuals, guiding them towards achieving specific objectives. They are responsible for supervising and motivate their teams. Efficiency and effectiveness. Management is all about making operations effective and efficient. It's all about optimizing resources to achieve desired outcomes. So, what are the key differences between governance and management? Here they are. Governance focuses on what and why, setting the overall direction and ensuring accountability. Management focusing on the word how, executing the plan, leading teams, and optimizing day to day operations. Governance is typically the responsibility of the board of directors or a governing body. Management is carried out by the managers and leaders at various levels throughout the organization. Governance is about making high level decisions, while management is about making those decisions a reality. In conclusion, both governance and management are essential for the success of any organization. Governance provides the vision and directions, while the management executes the vision to achieve the organization's goals. They work hand in hand, each playing a unique role ensuring the organization prosperity.